Hello and welcome. Articles are the words that precede and modify nouns, meaning they come before nouns and they modify or explain noun. These are a, an, and the. Articles indicate whether a noun is general or specific. The is called definite article, whereas a and an refer to indefinite articles. Articles are used with nouns as mentioned above, which means they determine whether the noun is specific or general. For example, I need a book. Any book. It's not specific. She has an umbrella. Any umbrella. It's not specific. Both a and an are called indefinite articles. The only difference is an is used with nouns that start with a vowel sound. For example, she has an umbrella. The book on the table is mine, meaning specific book. What and which are both question words, meaning these words are used to ask questions. What is the difference? What is used when we have broader range of options and the questioner doesn't know the answer, whereas which is used when the options are limited or there are specific set of choices. What is your name? Many possible names. What do you want to eat? Many possible foods. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Limited to two colors. Which movie do you want to see? Batman or Star Wars? Limited to two movies. Discovery is finding something that already existed but was previously unknown. For example, force of gravity was discovered. America was discovered. Invention is creating something entirely new that did not exist before. For example, computer, aeroplane.